These LEDs look exactly the same, but they are completely different. You should know them properly so you don't make mistake in your next project. I am connecting a DC power supply to show you. This is a clear blue LED and you can see it glowing. These standard LEDs come in different color like blue, green and yellow. Here you can see some other colored LED. The ones that are not transparent are called diffused LEDs. This is another transparent 2-pin LED, but it is a multicolor LED. It changes color and patterns automatically. Now look at this LED. It is powered on but it is not glowing. This is an IR LED. It emits infrared light which is invisible to the naked eye. But if I bring a camera closer to it, you can see a purple glow. This happens because camera sensor can detect IR light. IR LEDs are commonly used in remote controls and night vision cameras. This one is an IR photodiode. This specific photodiode is black, but some can be transparent too. It does not emit light, it is a receiver. It detects IR light and changes its resistance. In fact, it can also detect regular ambient light. You can think of the IR LED as a speaker and the photodiode as an ear. This pair is used in many electronics and Arduino projects to detect objects at a short distance. For example, in robotics, we use an IR proximity sensor. Here, the IR LED and photodiode work together with an amplifier circuit to detect objects. Even a heart rate sensor uses a green LED and a photodiode to track your pulse. Let me show you a practical circuit where three different LEDs work together. Where we have an IR LED, a photodiode and a normal diffused LED. The IR LED sends out invisible light. When I put my hand close, the light reflects back. The photodiode receives it and the red LED turns on. This is how a simple object detection circuit works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.